If you're looking for a hotel in the heart of BGC without paying premium luxury hotel rates, this property might be worth checking out. Today, we're staying at iHotel BGC to see what kind of experience it offers and whether it's a good value for your money. Located in one of Metro Manila's most vibrant districts, iHotel BGC puts just within easy reach of restaurants, cafes, convenience stores, and many of the attractions that make BGC a popular destination for both business and leisure travelers. Upon arrival, we headed straight to the reception area. The check-in process was quick and straightforward, making for a smooth start to our stay. The lobby is relatively small and simple, but it provides a clean and welcoming space for guests. As we headed to our room, we also noticed water dispenser along the hallway. And now, for the moment we are waiting for. At first glance, the room feels clean, organized, and functional. The layout focuses on practicality, making good use of the available space. The bed serves as the centerpiece of the room, while the air conditioning helps maintain a comfortable environment throughout your stay. A small sofa provides an additional place to relax, whether you're taking a break during the day or simply unwinding after exploring the city. For guests working remotely, there's also a dedicated work desk that offers a practical workspace. The room also includes a small dining table. Beneath it is a compact refrigerator for keeping drinks and snacks chilled. Beside the bed is a convenient charging area with easily accessible power outlets for your phone and other devices. For entertainment, the room comes with a television. However, it's not a smart TV, so guests who regularly stream content may want to keep that in mind. The bathroom is compact and straightforward. While it doesn't aim for luxury, everything is functional and serves its purpose well. Upon checkout, the 1,000 pesos you deposited during check-in will be returned to you if there is no issue in the room. Overall, iHotel BGC focuses on providing the essentials that most travelers need: a comfortable bed, practical amenities, a functional workspace, and a convenient location within BGC. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which hotel you'd like us to feature next.
You're so mean.